So this heated massager has become a favorite of mine. I'm going to tell you all about it. So I work at a desk all day and I get a lot of tension in my neck and shoulders, and this has been a really great find for me. I want to start off by thanking SKG for gifting me with this item. This has been nice because it's a multi-mode massager. It has a heat mode here with red light therapy that provides 3 different levels of heat intensity, 6 massager modes. I love the fact that it's wireless and I can either hold the straps when I use it or I can secure this around my back. It comes with this USB to USB-C charger. It's really easy to charge. You just plug it in right here. And then this is an indicator to show the charging level when it's charging. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit about this. So here is the power button, and then this is your heat level. This button right here adjusts the heat levels. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and you can hear what it says. And you can see that it's starting to move right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start going through the heat levels. So you just press this. See, it's that simple. And then let me go ahead and show you the different massaging cycles. Comprehensive mode. You can see how the mechanism rotates and it changes. It really feels really good when you use it, to be honest. Um, exercise stretch mode. Relaxation mode. So it's changing. And you can tell when you're using it, it has different levels of intensity and the way it vibrates and provides pressure. So you may not be able to see the changes as much. Stress relief mode. See, it looks like it's changing the rhythm, and then that also changes the pressure as well. Finger soothing mode. The different rotation. Kneading mode. Back to comprehensive mode. Massage completed. So when you're doing this, it's about 10 to 15 minute cycle, and it'll say massage completing at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on so you can see how it works in use. So I put my hair up so you can see everything without my hair hanging down. So it's really easy to put on. These straight ones, these go down on the bottom, so it makes it easy to know which direction to put this on. So for me, just place it on my neck like so, like that. I just wrap the straps around. So I'll turn around and show you how that looks. So like this. That's how I put it on. So let me press it on. There it goes. It feels really good. You can see it's like just going through and kneading. It feels like a person is actually massaging you. And it just, let me turn around so you can see how it looks on the side and the back. You can see how it's working. That feels really good. It's really getting my traps and my neck, all the little tight areas that I have and where I have tension buildup. So I am really pleased with this, and it has been amazing for me, especially because, like I said, I'm at a desk all day long working, stressful. So I do get a lot of tension in this area, and this has just been a very nice find. If you're looking for a nice massager that provides heat, different modes, really portable actually. It's really portable. You can just bring this with you if you're traveling. It's not too big and it's not too loud either. That's a nice thing. It's not super loud. I'm just impressed with it. So I highly recommend it if you're looking for something like this or if you have a need for something like this.